The Singapore High Court has given water treatment firm Hyflux the green light to hold scheme meetings for creditors to vote on the rescue plan on April the 22nd. Now, for Hyflux's subsidiaries, it will be a day later. If the scheme goes through, the court will sanction it on April the 30th. Brendan Tonoto with more.
To pass, the scheme needs to be approved by at least 50% in number and 75% in value of each creditor class present at these meetings. And if the scheme isn't passed, lawyers representing Hyflux's creditors told the High Court they would consider applying to have the firm placed under judicial management. A scenario one expert says would spell the beginning of the end for Hyflux.
An independent party will come in to take over control of the company, especially the assets, and decide how to manage, dispose or distribute the assets. And I think this is actually one step forward towards a possible liquidation. I don't believe that any judicial management will come in to keep the company as a whole. So I guess their main concern is actually to cater to the interests of the parties concerned, particularly the creditors. Also, I think there will be concrete steps taken to derive whatever values that is attached to each of the asset and then distribute it to the stakeholders according to the priority of claims.
All in, the clock continues to tick for Hyflux, the company's $400 million rescue deal with Utico, which was signed last November, will need to get the okay from a majority of creditors and one court approval by May 26 before it expires. The latest also comes just 2 days after Utico cautioned that there could be a drop in value in Hyflux's assets if approval for the restructuring scheme gets delayed beyond March. However, Hyflux said in a filing to the Singapore Exchange that Utico's statement contains material inaccuracies, which it will address in due course in the right forum.